Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. And for today's reading, we are going to talk about what is coming your way. In specific, it's more of news, opportunities, offers, because, well, if you are watching me the time I upload this, which is on late February, well, you don't have to be. But the thing is, especially if you are watching by the end of month, it doesn't matter February, March, whatever. It's just the next month for you going to bring, you can say, a tangible forms of something. So something is definitely manifesting towards your way. And yeah, this reading found you for a reason. Alright, without further ado, let's start with pile 1. Hello, pile 1. Welcome back to my channel. And for your reading today, we are going to talk about what offers or opportunities, news, but exciting one coming towards your way. And I don't know, in your pal, I feel a little bit kind of ungrounded, and I got this uncomfortable feeling in my stomach. Yeah, but obviously it's not for everyone. It's just for some of you who's still thinking whether this is your pal or not. All right, pal one. Let's see. Let me look at your picture again. All right. So, pal one, what is exciting news, offers, or opportunities coming to your way? And when I say coming to your way, it doesn't have to be so far. So, about 2 to 3 weeks from the time you are watching this. All right, let's see for those whoever who choose the first pal. News, opportunities coming to their way. We have the hermit, right? Exciting news and opportunities coming to their way. We have the Ten of Cups, Ace of Cups, one more card, please. We have the Knight of Swords. And at the bottom of the deck, we have, wow, we have the Lovers. I think I got to cover the image because it's a little bit explicit and, well, yeah, YouTube is getting stricter with their rules, so bear with me. Well, it's basically showing me, if you are interested to know or curious, it's showing about two semi-neck women. But anyways, let's see, pile one. Exciting news and offers coming to your way fast. And just for a reminder, if some information doesn't apply to your situation, then disregard it completely because, of course, we are here talking about general reading, so it's all about a general public, about a collective of people who choose the first picture. Just keep that in mind. And some of you, even if it doesn't apply to you at all, I feel there's some percentage of you still want to listen to this because I don't know, the energy just feeling good here, or it gives you this healing moment or something like that, then please to continue. All right, let's see. Hmm. All right. So I'm not sure who this is for, but I think it's for a woman who recently very worried if they get pregnant. Yeah, for whatever reason. Well, I'm here to tell you that it's all protected. Yeah, it's all protected. You are not getting pregnant, and if you have pregnancy anxiety, then there you have it. It's a confirmation from universe that you don't have to worry too much. It's just next time, make sure things go a little bit more planned, you want to say. And I feel like for people who have been, again, I'm still getting this vibe of pregnancy anxiety. If you're trying to find out and your symptoms really confusing, well, again, you're not pregnant. But of course, it's for those who expecting themselves to not get pregnant. Yeah, if that is not your case, again, that's just disregard that information completely. Oh my God. It's like I'm seeing a lot of information that's going to make you, like, to set you free from your worries, from your anxieties. I'm hearing finally things make sense. Finally things fall into places. And it's like if you have been getting these intuitive nudges to do one thing or, multiple things in your life that don't exactly make sense in that moment, in the past, and yet you still did it, it's about to make sense now why you are or you have been directed toward a certain path. I'm seeing like a big gate of revelation going to open for you. And it's not just about revelation, but it's like a path have been created for you to walk on. Yeah. So when you are in that process of, for example, being led by your intuition to do certain things, on the other side, a new path is ready for you to embark in a sense that it's being created in the background. And we don't know that when it's happening, right? We just focus on our problem solely. And when we are being too entangled in our own problem, usually we cannot really see things from the higher ground, the higher perspective. And it's about to get revealed to you why it's all happened and what path will be shown to you. It's going to all make sense. It's all going to feel very natural to you to finally walk on this path. Whether you know this path or not, whether you are, you familiar with this or not, it doesn't truly matter. The thing is, you will just know where to walk. It all becomes natural to you because in the past, I'm seeing like a lot of external things happen to test you out. to test your faith in yourself, in your intuition, in God or universe. Yeah, it's very contradictory. For example, you see a job listing and it's very perfect job on the paper. And let's say you really need this amount of money, but it's not so urgent to achieve some goal or to renovate your home, getting a lease, something like that. But your intuition somehow telling you to no, stop, listen to me, don't do it. But it doesn't really tell you why. It just tell you a yes or no kind of decision. Or if it tells you why, then it doesn't elaborate more. And yet somehow you keep making this progress of following your intuition regardless. Alright, I'm not sure if you hear that, but it's a siren here. And it's just confirmation that for some of you, it has been very hectic in your environment. And again, you're really being tested out in the past or even still right now. Yeah. Like the situation around you show you to do one thing that is very human, very makes sense by logic, and yet your intuition tell you the opposite. And yet you keep standing strong in your own principle, in your own intuition. And sometimes you second guessing yourself. Why do I do that? No, I got to repair it. I got to fix the problem I quote unquote created because I don't follow my mind. And yet, when you are being faced with similar situations, it's always what you do. Yeah. Following your intuition again and again. And it's about to be revealed why. And you're also going to be rewarded. And I'm seeing it's like, all right, I don't know why I'm hearing this, but if you are thinking of pile 2, you want to just pile 2 also, then please do. It's like in the past, it's also a process that you have to go through so you can shed your old self, like the layers of your old self. It's like we've, yeah, we have been made from a mold of our environment, experience, and the way our family kind of give us their principles and knowledge, etc., etc. But those layers of conditioned, how do you say, behavior or pattern actually being shed of you, because in order for you to actually step into this new path that I just talked about, you need to be your most authentic self, the one that doesn't influence by a condition, situation, or a condition factors, various factors from, again, different sectors. And I'm seeing you about to emerge to where you actually belong. So, if in the past you have been experiencing a lot of loss here and there, it could be in regard to romantic connections or just, connections in general, could be death of loved ones, even, or loss of friendship, Your friends or best friends naturally drifted away from each other, and also loss of money, basically a lot of loss in your life. I know this might sound frustrating to hear, but Spirit God want me to tell you that everything that has been shed off from your life actually not meant to stay in your new journey, yeah, in your new world, which is what you about to embrace in the next month. Yeah, remember this spell, especially I feel going to apply to you for the next 3 weeks from the time you are watching this. And it's like whatever you put your mind to when the chapters begins, when that new chapter begins, it's going to manifest very quickly because you are stepping into very, very fertile energy in yourself, but also in that new world. So you have both forces combined that creating this very fertile environment for anything you put your mind into to grow, to become very fruitful. I even hear the word lucrative. Yeah. So if you want to start something and if you are sensitive, you feel the energy already changing, or you already see a lot of physical manifestation happening, or people suddenly being generous towards you, or you suddenly becoming so lucky in different aspects of life, then it's the time for you to finally plant your seed because it's going to grow really fast, really big. I'm not saying it's going to grow overnight. I mean, it could be, but let's get real here. Compared to what you have been experiencing in the past, and by the time this chapter enters your life, there is going to be a stark difference. Yeah, when it comes to the way it progresses, when it comes to the timing, it's all just very different. And I'm not sure, but this is only for some. If you have been longing for support, for good, genuine friendship, or just loving connections in general, it doesn't matter if it's familial, platonic, business partners, or romantic, you are about to get a lot of emotional support from new people that about to come into your life. Yeah, so please be prepared for this. And I'm also hearing a message for those of you who still feeling a little bit. I, s- I forget what is the term, what is the phrase, but it's like down in the dumps or something. Yeah, feeling down in the dumps, I think the phrase is. But anyway, it's telling me, or rather us, to not stuck in the feeling of hopelessness, not stuck in the feeling of things not going to get better. It will, darling, it will. You just hear it from me. Yeah. And it's like the universe right now is encouraging you and also giving you hints. This is not even a hint, but like I'm sorry, I suddenly forget the word, but thing is, everything will be good next month. Yeah, 2 to 3 weeks from now. I'm hearing it will be your turning point. It will be the time where you will no longer feel alone, no longer feel you got to do all of the heavy stuff by yourself. No, a lot of people going to come to your way to help you, to assist you, to support you with all they got. And it's all going to be equal give and take. And your love going to be reciprocated by them. And it's not you just giving to them and they are not giving back. And I'm saying also, if you have been thinking about business partnerships, then people are going to take advantage of you, but it's a win-win solution because they see a big, a massive potential in you. So they want to pay you, they want to appreciate you handsomely. Yeah, so you are quote unquote taking advantage of each other, but in very fair manner. And they're actually supportive people also. Yeah. So please don't be afraid and still use your logical and intuitive discernment, regardless of what I said. But it's just telling us how things are going to move from that point on. All right, pal one, that's all. I hope you enjoyed the reading. And if you want to claim this reading, please drop me an emoji of cookie and milk on the comment section down below. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope I will see you next time. Bye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's reading, just like the title, we're going to talk about upcoming offers and news that going to excite you. And you know why, but it feels to me you are a bit different with Pal 1. Because in Pal 1, I get this, you can say, a definitive timeline. But in your Pal, I feel it has been going on for some time. Yeah, it's either it's already happening for you, so you are in the middle of it, but you are yet to see the result, if that makes sense. So you have been feeling, or you are aware that you are in this new chapter and yet you don't see the main thing happening. Or you have been seeing little signs here and there, and again, something big, something massive that you anticipated, like you feel it in your gut, in your intuition, is not coming yet. Yeah. All right. So let me take a quick look at your card again or your picture. Oh my god. All right. So suddenly my laptop just, it's showing me this error message. And this is just a confirmation for some of you. If you have been noticing the technological issues here and there happening around you recently, especially, then welcome. Welcome to the channel. It's going to be your reading. Like, more likely yes than not. Alright, let's see. Part 2. What is exciting news and offers coming to your way very soon? Alright, Right now I'm getting a little bit stretch. Yeah, a little bit stretch timeline, like 1 week to 3 weeks. But it's not as crowded as the first pal because they are more definitive. But in your pal, it feels like the energy is still try to pick a momentum. And I'm seeing a spectrum of power here. So sometimes it's going to be fast moving, but then it's slowing down and then it's going to, move fast again. Things like that. Let's see. Exciting news and offers coming to Pal to life in the matter of 1 week to 3 weeks. All right, we got the Ace of Swords. Oh gosh, I'm having a technological issue again. So if you are still wondering, you're still doubting whether this is your pal or not, well, it's just extra confirmation. If you have been experiencing um weirdness when it comes to the electricity around you or technological stuff, internet, laptop, I don't know, something like that, then again, please listen. Please to listen to this. Exciting news and offers coming to whoever who choose the second picture, please. We have the lovers and also two of pentacles. I think I will place it this way because of some nakedness here. Yeah, and we got the eight of sword in reverse. And at the bottom of the deck we got fool. Just because it's called the fool, it doesn't necessarily have that connotation to it if you are new to tarot. And yeah, please keep in mind this is only a general reading, so only take what resonates with you and discard the rest because we are reading for the collective. So again, different message that is directed for someone specific just could come true in this reading. So use your discernment, which your message and which is not. Yeah. So let's see. Second pal. All right. I'm getting this sense of confusion, this sense of kind of you feel anxious, you feel you cannot really think straight. You cannot really see things for what they are because you're feeling so overwhelmed over something or overly stimulated. I'm seeing an end to that confusion, especially for those of you who have a Cancer and Gemini placement in your chart. Could be your big tree or could be your significant planet or even Sagittarius. Yeah, it's a little bit similar to Pal 1. And I have said it in Pal 1, if you come from Pal 1, some of you might want to choose Pal 1 and 2. It's like a news or a piece of information going to be delivered to you. So you no longer feel anxious, so you no longer feel like you don't have a firm grounding, a firm foundation in your life. And all right, this is very specific. So if you have been trying to find a job or you have been trying to manifest a reliable source of income, it's somehow going to find you. Especially if your money has been lacking. You have been trying hard to, make the ends meet, and you got to do all the strict budgeting every month, then it's going to get resolved soon. I'm seeing it's either you're going to get a job or whatever you are trying to manifest, for example, business, it's suddenly picking up its momentum and it will be reaching a peak where you cannot where you cannot believe what you see, like a such massive progression. I don't know why I'm hearing massive attention. So you could be an influencer or have a social media presence somewhere. You're going to attract a lot of traffic to your channel, to your platform. Again, this could be different to each of you, or it just if you have business in general, or if you're working under someone or under a company. I'm seeing your name will be very highlighted in near future. I'm seeing you are about to do a lot of things in regard to work, like doing new things you never done before. Yeah. So I'm seeing a renewal in your career. Either you are moving from one career to another or just moving department, but it just you're going to get into a new job or new department, new career very, very soon. I don't know, I don't know if this is what you expected to hear or not, and yet this is what coming true to me. And to be quite honest with you, pal, too, I'm saying when you first hear or when you first receive this information or this news, you're going to get stunned because you don't expect this to happen. And yeah, if you really think about it, it's like an opportunity of a lifetime. This is not something that could strike you twice. It could happen in your life twice. But because of the way it shows up in your life, like it's very unexpected, you don't anticipate it from happening, then you're going to, get stunned, and then you really need to wrap your head around it first for some time before making a decision to jump into, whatever this new career or new department is. But I'm seeing you actually, even this is something new, I'm seeing you very skillfully do your new job or new task. It's like whatever new job, new career is, it's like you almost born for it. At least that's what people think when they just wanna, if you just started in this field or in this department, but from the look of it, it looks like you have a lot of experience under your belt. Yeah, it doesn't seem that you are new, nervous or something. Like, I mean, when we start a new job, completely new job, obviously we feel nervous. We have this performance anxiety and that kind of stuff. And yet the people around you not going to see that. If anything, they're going to see you as somebody very reliable in your job, very trustworthy, and also they're going to automatically respect you because you are, first of all, you are a nice person. You are very humble with your skill, with your, I don't know, for some I'm hearing your background. So you could come from the higher end of class here for some of you. And you are very approachable. If people ask you things about, professional work, you are not gatekeeping your knowledge or your experience, whatever they want to cut from you. You are not gatekeeping it. And it's like, oh my God, I'm getting this sense where you're going to move very swiftly in your environment, your new environment, like work environment. Again, I keep getting this sense of effortlessness when you do a task where you just flow with everything without much struggle. And it's actually one of many ways you hypnotize people around you. That's why they respect you, that's why they admire you, even when they all they know don't know you, and you suddenly, for example, get stumbled upon a team and you hold up an important position there. They don't really care because you have shown your capability to lead by example, and also you have this humbleness, you have this, talent, skills to you that they haven't seen before in person in this position or in this department. So again, for most, all right, I'm seeing Libra here. So if you have a prominent Libra placement or Libra is in your big tree, it doesn't matter if you follow sidereal astrology or tropical, but yeah, regardless of astrology system, if you are a Libra, have significant Libra in your chart, then this reading especially going to be very resonating with you in your future. Or if you are a Venusian, like you have um, a strong Venus placement in your chart, like Taurus, then it's also going to ring true for you. But especially, I'm seeing Libra, very big energy of Libra, where it's going to create harmony, balance, beauty. Yeah, it's just very, very graceful, graceful effortlessness. Just keep coming through here. Very harmonized energy. Alright, pal 2, that's all I have for you. And if you want to claim the energy of this reading, please give me an emoji of cookie, cake, something sweet in the comment section. And yeah, thank you for watching. I hope I will see you next time. Bye. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. And if you are new, hello. Welcome to the channel. I hope you are going to enjoy whatever this channel going to bring to bring forth for you. Alright, so poultry. Let's see. Let me take a look at your picture again. Very romantic kind of scenery. And let's see, poultry. What exciting news and offers coming towards you very soon. Alright, I got to mention your pal is going to take a little bit longer than the first two pals, which is they're going to, if I'm not mistaken, in pal 1, it's like 2 to 3 weeks. And in pal 2, 1 to 3 weeks. And in your pal, I feel it could actually take 4 weeks to manifest. Yeah. But it doesn't really matter. And please don't get too fixated on the timeline because again, it's just a prediction. It's just from the energy I read from you right now, the time you are, you found this video and energy is very dynamic. So it could come faster or later. Yeah. Alright, pile 3. Exciting news and opportunities coming to your way. Alright, we have King of Wands. Oh my god, we got the Judgment. The Four of Cups. And if you feel drawn to pick multiple piles, please do, because I feel like for some you want to pick the first pile. Yeah, please do. There might be some message for you there. Alright, we have, what is this? The Ten of Pentacles. Yeah, it's going to be very exciting indeed. And yeah, just for starter, I want to remind all of you actually, it doesn't matter if you are new to tarot or if you have been, in tarot community for some time, but we all got to understand that this is only a general reading, so only take whatever apply to you and leave the rest because it might be message for someone else. Obviously, we are reading the collective, not just one-on-one kind of a reading or session. So please keep an open mind, keep an open heart, even if you feel the reading doesn't apply to you like by whole, and somehow you still feel drawn to this, then please too. There might be some energy, how to say it, like refinement happening in the background. That's why you feel drawn to. That's why you feel for some healed or comforted by the energy of this reading, even when you see that the whole pile doesn't resonate with you. All right, let's see. Exciting news and offers coming toward pile 3 very soon. All right, so I'm seeing you're going to see sun pretty soon. So what I just said could right away resonate to some of you. So you could take it literally if you have been, wishing to see the sunset or sunrise, or you just want to go out but for some reason you cannot. You are about to see the sun. And for others, it's more of a metaphoric expression where everything you lost in the past, it's going to be returned to you, but in completely different form, way more upgraded, way more valuable. And please excuse me, I'm not saying what you lost in the past is not valuable, but it's like this is the higher level of things, paltry, that you are about to get. So for example, if you in the past lose a friend through a disagreement, or you lost a lover, you break up, things like that, then you're going to get a new friend or lover that actually way better than your previous one. Like, or even it could be money, it could be job, it could be even a degree for some of you. It's like they they fell away from your path in the past. It's because they are not meant to be. Yeah, I know it's going to sound really easy to say, but obviously we all know it's hard to go through. And yet here we are, Valtteri. It's like you are about to get a compensation or even repayment for all the good deeds you have been doing, even when things are, things rather scarce. You found a lot of scarcity in your life. Could be material scarcity, or just you feeling not supported by, for example, universe or people around you. You have to go all of those difficult things alone. It's all going to be rewarded. Yeah. So whatever you did in the past, it don't go in vain. And I'm saying also you're going to step into your life purpose. So I feel like whoever who choose pile 3, at least 70% of you, 70 to 75% of you, is very spiritually evolved compared to your peers, compared to just human in general. But I'm not saying you are better than everyone, and please don't feel like that, because it's a trap of ego, obviously, of unhealthy ego. I don't want to brand ego as bad thing because it's not. But people river, I know it's a little bit off topic, excuse me, but what a lot of people river as ego is actually unhealthy ego. Because ego in this world is an identity. It's a sense to protect ourselves. It's a sense to get what we want. Yeah, which is very needed in this material world. But it can get very muddy. It can get very even sneaky, and doing things just for the sake of it, for getting what we want regardless of how immoral it is, because of that unhealthy ego and imbalanced ego. Yeah. So keep our ego in mind, but don't lose your identity, don't lose your boundaries when it comes to self, when it comes to others, because ego is pretty much needed, but only if it's healthy, if it's balanced. Yeah. And where were we? All right. So You're reading also a little bit similar with not the first, but I mean the first also, but it's related to second pile too, which is telling me it's either you are about to get into a new position, and it's I'm seeing a leadership position, or you are about to sign in a contract with some new company, new group. Basically, this is a business partnership I'm seeing. And whatever connections, either business connections, friendship, romantic, it's all going to lead you to abundance because right now, this time around, you can trust these people, you can trust the situation to play out in your favor. Of course, I'm not saying don't use your discernment. Please still use your, all the discernment, like logical, intuition, and etc. etc. before making any decision. But at the same time, it's like universe is trying to give you a pat on your back and also trying to calm you down, trying to assure you that everything will be good and it's only way up and up from now. You can trust the situation. You can trust your own decision. Your time of hardship is about to come to an end. And I guarantee you that. I mean, I as God or as the universe, not me, obviously. And it's like if you have been feeling very shaky, very shaky, wobbly on your feet, like you don't have this very firm grounding or sense of security in where you are right now in life, then it's all going to get solved. You'll be shown the path one by one in different sector of life, in love, in career, in friendship, security, business, everything that you deem as important in life. Yeah, because I'm seeing like these beautiful tiles are about to be placed by you or in your life. So, in other words, Valtteri, things are going to fall into place, and you yourself will witness that happening one by one. It's like it's almost everything at once happening together, but still gradual. Yeah, but still gradual. For example, one foundation of your life is being planted, and then right away another one, and yeah, at least that's what I'm picking up here. I'm seeing also if you have thoughts of pursuing your life purpose, if you know it already, then it's like the universe or God is telling you if you choose to live pursuing this life purpose, you will get nothing but abundance. You will get nothing but support and a guarantee from me, from God, that everything, I will align everything to be better for you, or at least to be way easier than how it is in the past. Life that you about to enter, paltry. I'm seeing a color pink. It's like everything from that point on, from the point where it's all going to be starting, it's almost as if life is about to be romanticized by God or by universe. Yeah, but it's not illusion. It's actually real. It's actually happening before your eyes. Yeah. So right now you are in the period of transition and you very close actually to unlock that new door of material abundance, material security, and lot of, I don't know why I keep saying money here, but also investment. I'm also seeing property if you want to, invest in that, or you want to have more houses or something, then it's about to get real. It's about to come in your reality, but of course it's not right away. It's all, you know, have its own process. And yet, no, Paltry. All right, Paltry, if you want to claim this reading, please drop an emoji of, money down below on the comment section. And if you like the reading, please give this video a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, Paltry, and I hope I will see you next time. Bye.